Hello guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today I am going to show you how you can connect WooCommerce with your Google Sheets, in which a guest when completes an order with any product, it will take an action and create a row in Google Sheets where you can store this guest data. For this we have to add a plugin Uncanny Automator. For that we have to purchase a Pro plugin. So I will go to Automator plugin websites. Here you can see a button Get Automator Now. Click on this button and it will take you to pricing tables. Here you can see it will cost you $149 per year for a single site. So I will click on Get Pro. Here you have to select a payment method. You can pay by credit card and PayPal, and here you have to add your personal and billing address. But I have already purchased this plugin, so I will go back to my site. Now on this website, I will go to plugins and click on add new. Now here I will upload a plugin. I will drag and drop this zip file and I will click on install now. Now the plugin was successfully installed. Now I will click on activate plugin. Now here you can see there was an error. It was saying that Uncanny Automator Pro is inactive. So first of all I will install Uncanny Automator, which is free on WordPress plugin repository. Here you can see Uncanny Automator, which automate everything. Click on install now. Wait until it installs. Click again on it and you can see the plugin was installed. I will refresh the page. Now scroll down. Here you can see the Uncanny Automator plugin. Now I will activate it. Now here you can see it will take you to the setup wizard. Now I will go to settings. Now to connect Google Sheets with Uncanny Automator, I will go to premium integration. Here you can see the Google Sheets tab. I will go to Google Sheets and here I will connect Google account with Automator. Now choose your Google account. Now click on continue. Now you can see your account has been successfully connected. Now I will go to add new. Here you can create and trigger an action. First of all you have to select a recipe for logged in users or everyone. I will select everyone and then I will confirm it. Now I will add title. Now here I will select trigger and then click on integration. I will select WooCommerce integration. Here you can see two triggers. I will select this trigger. Now here is the condition. I will select completes and save. Now here is the product. You can select a specific product or click on every product and then save. Now you can see it comes live. Now triggers was live. Now go to actions, but before selecting Google Sheets, first you have to go to your drive and create a new sheet. So I will create a new sheet. Here I will give it title of Woo Data. Now here I will add columns. First of all I will add name, then email. Next I will add phone column, order product, and order total. Now here you can create columns for coupons, location and anything that you want to collect as data from your user. Now I will go back to my site. Now I will select Google Sheets. Here I will choose an action of create a row in Google Sheet. Now here you can choose your drive. In my case the drive was already selected. Now I will select a spreadsheet. I will select this Woo data. Now the worksheet I will select sheet 1. Now I will click on here in columns. Now I will click on get column. Now here you can see all the columns appear here. but what the value they store. I will click on the star. A guest completes an order with any product. Now I will select their billing first name. In email, I will select billing email. In phone, I will select billing phone. Here in products, here I will select order products, and in order total, and here I will select order total. Now click on save. Now you can see it was live now. Now one thing remaining, here you can see it was drafted. Now I will click on live. Now everything is completed. Now anyone comes to your site and order a product, the data was stored in your site. Now let's preview it. I will go to my store. Let's purchase a product. Now I will click on cart, proceed to checkout. Now I will go to my accounts. Now I will click on orders, and here you can see my order status was completed. Now when you go to your sheets, now here you can see a new row was added and data was stored on your sheet. That's how you can connect your Google Sheets to your WooCommerce using Automator plugin. Hope you get something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about WordPress. Thanks for watching.